people ask me a lot, is AI going to replace developers? And I say, no, what's going to replace developers is other developers who know how to use AI.
Hmm.
Because AI is a tool. Will a scientific calculator replace a scientist? No, it's just the scientist with a scientific calculator is going to replace the one who doesn't have one, right? Essentially what it is.
100%. Yeah, I had this conversation with I've got predictable revenue as like my full-time thing, and then I've got a
Yeah.
startup on the side where we're working on solving the email problem for property managers.
Okay.
It's a long story. My wife's a property manager, live in a townhouse, and so I see what our property manager has to deal with, and like, it's not intentional abuse, but it is abuse, and I've been a guilty party of it. Like her email inbox is insane, and a
Yeah.
previous company of mine solved email for salespeople, and I want to recreate that. But I talked to my CTO about AI because I can do some things with Windsurf, but like
Mhm.
I am a caveman who has discovered like the internet, and it's nothing good. I can do stuff, but it definitely feels like it's getting to the point where like I'm more technical than your average caveman. It
Yeah.
does feel like eventually it will get there for me, but it's not quite there yet.
Yeah. It is getting there. It is
Yeah.
getting there. I have a friend who he actually had started a tech company, but he wasn't the tech guy. He was more like a sales guy.
Yeah.
But he's now got these little things he does with how to start an AI business in 5 days or something like that, or how to start a business with AI in 5 days. So he does
Very
these
cool.
these seminars. He just does these workshops for 5 days and shows you tools that you can use, AI tools you can use to build a website and get your social presence up and start a business, launch a business. So it's really interesting.